lot of plenty because of all the pennies in my head. Well, I'm pretty flip and I'm losing grip. Rock steady, Betty, pretty fly, but I'm alright. I don't need a cigarette, cause I feel like flying. Woo! Damn right, I feel like flying. I got a rotor on my head, and I feel like flying. Yep. Oh, I feel like flying. I told a girl her name was pretty silly. She spit me in the face and stole my chair. Hell, I just grinned and I said my name was Silly Looking Billy. And after that, my memory kinda stopped right there.